All right, guys, welcome to Hardscaping with Gaps.
Push it back into the woods.
You mucho gotta go like this, mira. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's project is a little bit different. We're gonna be doing some land clearing and some tree removals at this property. Lovely property here. We got the setup here. It's gonna be hauling away. We don't need it right now. We're gonna be wood chipping pretty much everything. We just brought in the machinery and everything. We got a couple guys here. And we got the Kubota here, excavator, and I think the Bobcat over there, the MT100. So let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing here. Okay, so we're gonna be clearing all this brush in here, about 20 feet in, from here all the way over there, because they're gonna be installing a pool around there. So all the dirt that they excavate from there, they're gonna be grading it here, raising this up because it's pretty steep there. So the homeowners are gonna be grading that up, building that up. We're gonna be ripping out all this brush. We are gonna be chipping it. I don't know about today, but we will be chipping it. And then pretty much we're gonna be taking out all these trees. There's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's probably like 15 to 20 trees here. The biggest trees are these two right here. Those two, boom, boom. But we're gonna fell them this way. And the rest are pretty small, so they're not too much to be worried about. But we're gonna be taking a whole bunch of trees out, land clearing that right there. Our brother's gonna be taking care of that area for me right now while I start cutting these trees up. And then eventually we're gonna be pushing all these dead tree trunks and everything that are around. We're gonna be pushing them all the way back. It's gonna be looking nice and clean here. Like I said, the homeowner is gonna have a pool here, a whole new landscape done, not by us. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of clips here and there. Like I said, I'm gonna be cutting the trees down too, so I'm gonna be busy with that. You know, I gotta focus on that, guys. You guys are gonna see the big difference here for sure. I'm gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna get it going. We're about to get started. It's about 9. It is raining. It's gonna rain till noon, which is fine. We're cool. Then it's gonna be nice after that. So we're gonna take advantage right now. If we get wet, it's fine. We got extra hoodies, getting the chainsaws rolling. Check it out, guys. Here's a little update. We took a big batch of trees down. My brother's almost wrapped up with the brush removal here. Big difference from what it was, as you guys saw. Here it is. Here he is. Nice. Looks nice. So we're planning to haul in a chipper today, and hopefully we can. And if not, then tomorrow for sure. And then we'll have 2 guys chipping it. We're good on this side, and then my brother's gonna come help us take down some trees and stuff. So it's gonna be nice. We're actually rolling pretty good here. I couldn't find my GoPro, so I couldn't record. I couldn't have a time lapse for you guys, but you guys can see how open we're making it. Look, Michael. But yeah, we got wet, guys. I might go to the store later and buy some sweaters for us, just so we can keep dry. I'm not wet because I got my raincoat on, but Michael got wet, and my brother's not wet because he's in the excavator. So we're rolling. Check it out, guys. Here's the inside the wood view. Got my brother over here helping us out now. We're gonna make a pile for the brush. We're gonna make piles of everything, and then we're gonna haul in the wood chipper in the end once everything's done and down. So it's a work in progress. It looks messy, but trust me, it's gonna be clean at the end of the day. You'll see. Let's go. Trust the process. We got a lot of trees down. I'm probably gonna have my brother try and excavate all these small stumps out for them. We got a couple more trees left. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got about 15 trees left, including these big ones. And then we'll be set and ready to go for today. It started raining again, so it's good. We're going good. We're moving good. Okay, guys, so this is a quick view from the road. You guys can see how open we made it. My brother's over there. The logs are right there. The bigger logs that we won't be able to chip. We'll be able to chip all this. All this is getting chipped. Hopefully sometime today, if not tomorrow morning for sure. But we're gonna be taking care of this. And yeah, we're all wet, but we're kicking. So it's been a good day so far. Despite the rain, we've got a lot done. Don't be afraid of the rain, guys. Be afraid of the thunder. But here it is, guys. We're almost wrapped up with this. We're gonna start, or I think we're gonna get lunch break here in a bit because it's already noon. We're gonna get lunch break. We got here at 9. We started around 9:30, so we got 2.5 hours, I think. 3 hours, something like that. Removed most of them. We just gotta take those 2 big ones. That big one right there, the dead one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 trees back there, and we'd be straight. So let's get in there, guys. I know we're gonna get lunch break here in a bit because I'm getting a little hungry and I'm wet, so I want to go change to another hoodie. My brother is an operator at a company, so he just helps us part-time. He's an operator though, so he's good at that. Got him here, got him rolling.
Si no se hubiera caído, güey. Que no se vea la risa, para que se vea como que es lo que hacemos siempre.
So we ended up pretty much removing everything that we needed to, and right now I came to pick up the wood chipper. Check this baby out. Hell yeah. Yeah, this thing's a unit. It's a Bandit model 150 XP. Shout out Handy Rents. You know, they be hooking it up, so appreciate them for that. And thankfully we were able to get one today, so hopefully we can do a number on that lumber, on that brush that we have at the site. So I'll show you guys once we get to the job site and start chipping some stuff away. So stay tuned, guys. We're almost done with that project. We're almost done. Check it out, guys. We're gonna start chipping away. We're at the job site now. We got this big pile of brush and some of those over there. Hopefully we can get through it today. You're not about to push it. Échale. Nope, it's too heavy. Nope, that tree's too small.
Keep going, keep going. Ahí va, ahí va.
Dale, push it, push it. Para el video, push it. Push it, para el video.
Para acá, no, güey.
No, para allá. Rápido, por favor. Ahora te hay que cortar más.
Así déjaselos así. Que llegue a las 3 de la mañana, güey.
En pedo, si andas por acá atrás.
El perro.
Va a chingar el... Nada.
Puta madre.
Mi recio es cheperrón. Es checo.
Puta madre.
Right there. Last one, guys. That was the last one. Guys, my brother and Michael also cleared up the brush up here. We're also going to be clearing up in here, and we're going to be regrading. We're going to be rough grading in here. So we're going to be hauling out all this dead stuff, pretty much everything here. I'm going to make sure all the water goes down to over there. So if we need to haul in dirt, we can haul it in. If not, then we're good. But that's it for now, guys, and I will catch you guys tomorrow when we come back and try and finish this project up. So we're done for the day. It's about 7 p.m. and we're ready to go home. So let's go home. This is where we left off yesterday. I'm actually gonna haul this away because it's mud, and so you guys can see that right there. I'm hauling it away. The guys over here chipping. Got my brother organizing the stuff. Today, don't got much trash left, but it's getting there. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. We're almost wrapped up with the project. So I'm gonna go take a load to the shop because this is like brush and it has dirt, so we don't want to put that in the chipper. And then the guys are gonna be staying here to finish this up. They should be close to finishing by the time I get back, and then we're gonna do the final little touches. Hey, sorry about the noise, but they're actually wood chipping right now. So the final touches that we're going to be doing are pretty much removing small stumps, and we got to clean up the front up here and grade it. But I think we're only going to be able to get to cleaning everything out. We're going to haul everything out, all the big trunks, everything. We're going to haul everything out, and then we'll focus on the smaller stuff. As of now, we're on a roll. We're actually doing pretty good. So we're not going to go dump, so I'll catch you guys when I get back. And the guys are pretty much wrapped up with everything. We are also taking out some stumps, as you guys can tell right there. We're removing some stumps. We're leaving the big ones, which is pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stumps are staying, the rest are coming out. And it's gonna pretty much be it. And then we might take down that dead tree, that dead branch there, and I think we might take down those 2 trees, these 2 right here. Well, these 3 with that little one, but that's gonna be it. Gonna take those out and we're done. The guys are finished up on the front. My brother's taking this stump out. The wood chipper's been on for about 30 minutes. We're done chipping everything. You can tell it's clean. It's clean now. So I'm gonna finish loading these stumps up. I'm gonna let him remove the rest of them. Let's head up to the front and start loading up the trash that's in the front onto the trailer while my brother finishes this up. So we pretty much removed all the trees, small stumps, medium-sized stumps. All the big ones, all the big stumps stayed, like over there, and over there. And there's one over there, I believe. But all these stumps stayed, and I guess we're pretty much wrapped up. I mean, it turned out to be a little chaotic because of the rain. But to check all these wood chips that we made from everything that we chipped. It's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this project. I'm gonna show you guys real quick up front. Up front is where we have to do those little final touches. We're pretty much wrapped up with this side of the project. The back is the biggest concern. Real quick, I also gave it a pass here with the rototiller. You guys can tell. Cleared it up a bit. Looks a lot cleaner now. Looked a little messier the way we left it. So I ended up wanting to do that real quick, just so it can look cleaner. Our job can look cleaner, and then the other company that's coming in to install the pool can work in a clean environment. Well, kind of clean environment. But for the most part, it's clean. And I pushed as much dead debris back there as far as I could to wrap for this project. I'm getting ready to head out. Moving on to the front piece of the property. Still wet here, but I pretty much graded it rough as best as I could. All the water is flowing towards that way, so we won't have any major sitting water here anymore. As you guys can tell, the Bobcat's there. We already loaded up the other attachments. We got this one, the Harley rake left, and then we'll be done. Gaps is back there blowing off. I just came to double check here and pick up tools like this, I guess you could say. We left this here the first time. We won't leave it here again. It's pretty much a wrap for this project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. What do you guys think about this video, and what do you think about the way I did it? I know there was a better way for me to do it. I figured that out after. Well, I knew I was supposed to do it like that, but I just hesitated, so it happens. Next time we'll for sure be doing it a little bit different, and you guys will see how I do it different. I'll do it, but also plans didn't go as well either because it was raining as well. It's whatever, guys. We still got a lot done. We still got most of the work done. We got everything done that we had to get done, and we pretty much got everything that we needed done. We got it all completed by the time period that they wanted. Okay, guys, so we're officially 99% done.
99.9% done
with the project.
Look at my lips, bro. All red.
Gaps is giving me sloppy toppy in the woods.
Yeah.
No, Gaps was working here by himself for a little bit. I had to go get some stuff done, and we're actually done with the project. Came out amazing. Got everything locked and loaded. The wood chipper worked wonders. We had a little situation with it, but we figured it out. I'm just checking to see if everything's tied up nice, correctly. Yes, it is. So we are heading out now, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.